Now talking about breathing light while jogging. So why the heck are we doing this? Why is it important? It's because a lot of us have a tendency to overbreathe while we exercise, and it leads to feelings of breathlessness. And it's because we're not really efficient with our breathing while we're exercising. And we're doing long distance running, which builds our total endurance. But you say, why aren't we doing breathing light exercises? It's because we want to increase our efficiency with the breath. So one side we're doing the total endurance, and this we're doing how much we can do with one single breath. So we want to reduce that feeling of breathlessness while we're playing tennis and overall while we're exercising. So how the heck do we do this? So going through a jog, about 10 to 15 minutes into it, whenever you feel genuinely warmed up during your jog, I want you to experiment. And if you take 100% of a normal breath, we have a tendency to really take deep breaths while we're exercising that take slightly less than what you need. So about 90% of what you need. It should feel slightly uncomfortable, like, oh, I'm not getting quite as much as I need. It's a careful balance. You don't want to do too much because then you're really putting yourself in a hypoxic condition. Hypoxic means without oxygen, just a feeling of breathlessness. We don't want to panic. It's easy to panic when we feel we don't have enough oxygen, but it's just slightly less than we actually need. And just slight breaths while we're running and trying to maintain that. And if you have a feeling like, oh, I'm breathing too little, it's okay to go back to your normal breathing for a minute to reset and then try to go back into it. It's a practice, and it's okay if we're not perfect at the beginning, but as long as we're practicing, and we'll communicate about it and we'll find something that works best for you.